Welcome to Venetian Pointe, Zuckerman Homes' newest signature luxury community in beautiful South Fort Myers. Situated on 50 pristine acres, this intimate community will feature only 100 homes, with over a third of the land set aside for untouched nature preserves and sparkling lakes. Located at the corner of Summerlin Road and Gladiolus Drive, Venetian Pointe is close to the white sands and clear waters of Fort Myers Beach and Sanibel Island, placing residents near endless adventure, from fishing and boating to jet skiing and paddleboarding. Residents are also close to over 40 world-class golf courses and country clubs, creating an oasis for avid golfers. When not on the links, a range of other attractions are nearby, from Lakes Regional Park to the spring training stadiums of the Red Sox and Twins. For shopping and dining, Venetian Pointe is conveniently located near the famous downtown Fort Myers, Bell Tower Shops, Coconut Point Mall, Mercado, and Miramar outlets. The Southwest Florida International Airport and I-75 are also easily accessible, as well as the other top-rated hospitals and numerous A-rated schools. Venetian Pointe is being developed by the Aurora Award-winning Zuckerman Homes. Through 4 generations, over 90 years, and thousands of homes, Zuckerman has proven itself as a premier family-owned builder, cultivating a tradition of uncompromising integrity, distinguished customer service, and quality construction. Thousands of satisfied homeowners are a testament to the lasting quality and value of a Zuckerman home. Known for providing personalized service and customization possibilities, Zuckerman allows each homebuyer to build the home of their dreams. Zuckerman Homes does everything they can to make your home building experience as enjoyable and rewarding as possible. Welcome home. Welcome to Venetian Pointe.